How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here, and in today's video we're gonna be an overview of Rod Run, so the good, bad, and the ugly of Rod Run. Kind of an overview on how the event went and whatnot. I kind of do from every event after every event. So I just want to say first off, I'm sorry a video did not come out Wednesday. I was with Shotgun Shane doing a music video, or being in a music video for him. So that video is coming out this Tuesday, and then that vlog video is gonna be coming out Wednesday due to copyright and all this stuff and blah blah blah. I can't release it until after they release the music video, which is 100% understandable. I have no problem with that. So we will get right into this truck talk, or event talk, whichever one to call it. Alright guys, so we're going to start out, of course, with the good of Rod Run. Of course, it's Rod Run. It's a wonderful time. Like, I had, like, it was just awesome meeting, you know, had all my friends there with me. I had Killian, Hunter, that you know from the vlogs, Ivy, his girlfriend, and of course Colin, that you know from the vlogs. So I mean, it's always a fantastic time at Rod Run. Also meeting all of you, I met some new fans, hung out with some of you all on the strip. You know, it's always blows my mind, because you know I make videos and put on the internet. I mean, everyone knows that, but I don't see myself as a person that everyone, like, fans meet up with. I don't know how to describe it, but it's so awesome to go down the strip and like, hey, Trucks and Water, or like, hey man, you know, whatever, big fan. Like that is so cool to me that, like, people, it's just weird to me because I don't see myself like that, as that kind of person, if that makes sense. But like, Rod Run's always one of those events that, like, the fans turn out. I mean, I kept meeting new people, like, people were describing old past videos that I don't even remember making, honestly, and all that awesome stuff. And it's just, it was so cool to see that kind of side of it. I mean, I go to events and people know me, but Rod Run's like my hometown event. Like, I live an hour from Pigeon Forge, if that. So like, it's kind of like my hometown event, kind of like what I do and all this other stuff. I mean, it's just an awesome, awesome, awesome experience to do that. But I mean, it was just so cool to see. I mean, of course, it was fantastic. The weather was great, but Sunday, of course, was rainy. But, I mean, that's fine, because I had to head home Sunday anyways. But the captain was awesome. Meeting all of you was awesome. The TDA threw an amazing event. And the pre-party, even though I was there for a little bit because I got there late. And, of course, the Truck Fest event was awesome. And, I mean, Tennessee Diesel always throws an amazing party. So, huge shout out to you guys for another amazing event. Can't wait to go back next year for the spring one. But yeah, I mean, it was just an awesome, awesome event. Now, for the bad. Two things. One, the cops. The cops this year, or this Rod Run, to me, seemed that they went way, way overboard. And I understand why they pull people over and stuff like that. I get it. You know, like, you don't want underage drinking. You don't want drinking and driving, or driving high, or whatever. And I 100% totally get that, because, like, that's the safety for everyone out there on the strip. And blah, 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 blah. My problem was Saturday night, where the cops were walking up to vehicles, purposely looking at them with flashlights that had no business doing it. And I understand why they were doing it, to prevent something, but at the same time, I think it's kind of maybe a little bit too much of an abuse of power. I gotta say, because I'm not against cops. I fully support the blue and whatnot. I think some of them there were a bit overboard on how they use their power, if that makes sense. Like, we sat in a pilot for an hour because they blocked off the entrances and exits, and all this stuff, and wouldn't let anyone out for, like, literally no apparent reason. Stuff like that's I think is a little bit too much of an abuse of power. Another thing is the people getting pulled over. Luckily, knock on truck, I didn't get pulled over for my window tint. I had my windows down, the front passenger and driver, I had them down. They didn't really look at my truck that much, so I was kind of happy about that. But some kids, you know, with these older school diesels, especially the 5, 9, 12 valves, 24 valves, and the 7.3s and stuff like that, they roll coal anyways. I mean, sometimes you can't help it, and especially if you have a bigger turbo and a bigger injector in it. Even if you didn't mean to get on it, it sometimes puffs a little smoke, and they're just pulling people over left and right for that, and that was stupid. The window tint tickets, I think, are very stupid. I don't see a point in the window tint tickets. I think they should just get rid of that law. I think you should be able to run any tint you want, really. But that's just up to me. But that was the bad. And the other bad is, I released the YouTube video Monday. Tab be popping up right now. I love that. Tell me how you like me combining all of it into one vlog, or if you want me to split it back up, like the vlog 1 TDA pre-party, vlog 2 the second day on the strip, and then the TDA event itself is a separate vlog. Let me know how you want me to split it up. But loved how the video came out. Well, of course, like Chattanooga, I didn't tag anyone in it because except for TDA and my friends are with me in the cabin, because people kept commenting, why wasn't I tagged in, blah 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 blah. Same thing happened with this one. People were messaging me saying, why my truck was in the video, blah 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 this, blah 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 that. Look, I try to get everyone's truck in the video. I really do. I walk around, I film a bunch of stuff. When you go back to edit, though, you gotta cut stuff out that doesn't look good, doesn't flow right, the audio's bad, whatever the reason is, you gotta cut it out. You know, I don't mean to be like that, but you can't make a video so long that no one watches it, and it just clumped together and looks bad. I have to find that good balance of quality versus quantity, because I can't spend days and days and days and days on a video. I gotta kind of crank them out. So that's my problem with that, and I hate being like that. I really do, guys, but that's the thing. So the Chattanooga event ruined the whole tagging. Just certain people, I'm not gonna name names, they ruined the tagging part of the video, tagging my friends and whatnot in the videos, because they were like, why was my truck tagged? Look, guys, my friends that are there, you know, they've met me. Some of them been with the channel since the very beginning of when I created the channel. And they come up and talk to me. You know, new fans come up and talk to me, show me their tricks, and I have no problem shouting those people out. The people I don't like that complain about it are the ones that don't talk to me. I say hi to them, they ignore me, they blow me off, and all that other stuff. And I don't like that, because, like, if I'm going to take time out of my day to hunt you down on Instagram, to find your Instagram and shout you out on the thing, I think it's fair you should take time out of your day to come talk to me, and we get to know each other and stuff like that. This is business marketing and business 101. Well, actually networking too, 101. And a lot of people don't understand that. And I hate saying that, but it's kind of true. You know, I can't put everyone in the video, and I hate being like that, but that's the gist of it. And I know most of you will understand that. I'll probably get some stupid hate comments on it saying, blah, 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 we made you all this big and blah, blah. I understand that, and I very much appreciate every one of your support and everything. Some of the stuff that's happened in my life would not happen unless I had the YouTube channel and your all support, so I can't thank you enough on that. But anyways, getting back to what I'm saying, now the ugly part. And there's two things I want to talk about here. And I hate being like this, but it's kind of one of those things. The number one is, I'm not going to name names. There's a few instances at TDA event. I was walking around, some very prominent figures in the truck community. I mean, very prominent, have really big Instagrams, that everyone knows them. Walking around bashing other people's trucks, bashing the owners, and all that stuff. Guys, I want to be straightforward with you on this one. If you get into this and you get, you know, Insta famous, you got some fame behind you, do not bash other people. They are your clients. They're the reason why you're as big as you are. No matter how small the truck is, how unmodified it is, to how crazy it is, every build is different. Yes, you can have your personal liking, like your personal, what you like and what you don't like. That's fine, I've got mine. But I will never ever bash someone else's truck, because that's their version of their personality, what they like and what they want to show off. That kind of sickens me that people in the truck community will do that, because it's so stupid, because they're the ones that made them to where they are now, and some of them are making money off of this, to where, you know, if this came out, you know, could probably ruin a lot of reps. And I'm not going to name names, though, because I'm just not about that life. Like, I believe in, if you give someone enough rope, they'll hang themselves. Basically, they'll get themselves in trouble if you let them talk enough and display these bad actions. So that, don't do that, guys. It's just not worth it, like I said. Second of all, it's been floating around quite a while now, and I've been trying to ignore it. I've been trying not to address it because it's not that big of a deal, but apparently people can't keep their nose out of other people's business. Me and Killian have known each other since last October, early November, since the Alabama truck meet. We've been great friends since then. We've always been great friends since then. We've had, you know, business partnerships because she has her photography side, I got the YouTube side. You know, we're really good friends. You see us travel a lot together. We are not dating. We don't hook up. We're not friends with benefits. We're nothing like that. I don't see her as that way. She doesn't see me as that way. And that's it. And it's perfect like that. Because we can travel, we can go have fun, we can do this and that, have nothing to worry about. So all of you starting rumors about us hooking up, all of you starting rumors about this, harassing her about that. If you want to harass me about that, go right ahead, because I could give 2 craps less. Do not harass her about that. Again, tag me popping up for a video on the trucks, girls in the truck community, because some of you all need to watch that and grow up, honestly. So it kind of sickens me that some of you all, and you know who you are. I mean, you know who I'm talking to if you see this video, that will harass her that much. Like I said before, guys, harass me all you want about it. I don't care. Do not harass her about it. Act like men. Act like grown adults. You know, your parents, I hope your parents taught you better than this and raised you better than this. And I hate being this way, guys, but it's really getting annoying. It's really getting stupid. I have my interests in girls I like. I'm single. I'm not going to say if I am or am not talking to someone right now. That's in my personal business. But any girl I have on the channel, or any girl you see on my Instagram, whether it's Trucks and Water, my business one, or my personal one, either they're a freaking great friend, and they've been a great friend for me for years, or whatever the case may be, I do not want to hear any more harassment from the Trucks and Water family in the community. If you have a question about it, you contact me. Do not contact them. Guys, I can't explain how many messages I've gotten from girls and stuff saying, do you know this guy? Do you know this guy? Do you know this guy? He says he knows you. I have no idea who some of these people are. They apparently know me because of YouTube and stuff, and it really sickens me that some of the stuff that's going on and how poorly they've been treated. You know, I treat everyone with the utmost respect and to the best of my ability, and I hope the family of Trucks and Water will do the same. But that being said, though, guys, like I said, Raw Run, other than that, was fantastic. I loved it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and doing new and better things. So, like I said, guys, you have a comment it down below. I try to get back to comments, but it's getting really hard to do that with all the comments in my schedule lately. I'm trying to get back in that rhythm, but it's getting kind of hard. So, like I said, guys, thank you all so much for watching. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.